Our freedom to doubt was born of a struggle against authority in the early days of science. To every man is given the key to the gates of heaven. The same key opens the gates of hell. We must be careful not to believe things simply because we want them to be true. No one can fool you as easily as you can fool yourself. The fact that a particle has zero mass means, in a way, that it cannot be at rest. A photon is never at rest. It is always moving at 186,000 miles a second. We humans somehow figure out how to live despite this problem. We laugh, we joke, we live. The power of instruction is seldom of much efficacy, except in those happy dispositions where it is almost superfluous. When you are dead, you don't know that you are dead. It's pain only for others. It's the same thing when you are stupid. Only with quantitative observations can one arrive at quantitative relationships, which are the heart of physics. Science is a people-driven activity, like all human endeavor, and just as subject to fashion and whim. All things are made of atoms, and that everything that living things do can be understood in terms of the jigglings and wigglings of atoms. The way I think of what we're doing is we're exploring, we're trying to find out as much as we can about the world. A physical understanding is a completely unmathematical, imprecise, and inexact thing, but absolutely necessary for a physicist. Nature permits us to calculate only probabilities. Yet science has not collapsed. I rather have questions that can't be answered than answers that can't be questioned. This was a tremendous idea, that to find something out, it is better to perform some careful experiments than to carry on deep philosophical arguments. Have you read anywhere, by any poet, anything about time that compares with real time, with the long, slow process of evolution? All things, even ourselves, are made of fine-grained, enormously strongly interacting plus and minus parts, all neatly balanced out. We just have to take what we see, and then formulate all the rest of our ideas in terms of our actual experience. My interest in science is to simply find out about the world, and the more I find out the better it is, like, to find out.